How to change Reddit app icon. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. To change Reddit app icon, make sure your Reddit app is up to date. You can update it via Google Play Store or App Store. So after updating your Reddit app, open it. Here on top right hand side of your screen, you will see this profile icon, so tap on it. Here on bottom of your screen, you will see settings, so tap on it. Now here on top of your screen, you will see this icon, change app icon, so tap on it. So here you can find all the Reddit app icons that you can change into. So simply scroll down to find more. Out of this, most of them are premium. So if you want to use all of them, tap on this option, unlock icons with premium. From here you can take Reddit premium or else simply go back. And here on top of your screen, you can see few free icons. So simply tap on it. So select whatever icon you want to use and then tap on this save icon located on top right hand side of your screen. Now tap on OK. And now let me go back. And here you can see my Reddit app icon have been successfully changed. So this is how you can change icons for Reddit app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.